I am Joe Belekollie. I came from the Republic of Liberia. I came to attend IIG Institute to do graduate gemology as an hybrid program. I want to take this time because series of teaching was done by my prof. I really want to appreciate her for the time because she's highly inspiring in terms of presentation. I was able to do some specimens that relate to the various categories of rocks here. We did it both practical and we also did some theory as well. So I'm taking this time to tell her thank you, to tell the entire institute thank you for whatsoever time I have been here. Yeah, once more I want to give special thanks to Asmelta, my instructor who taught me a brilliant course, gemology, graduate gemology course. And the last one go to Raul Desire, the proprietor of this institute. I want to tell all people thank you for the inspiring knowledge that has been shared to me. I'm going to use it in Africa to be able to benefit our African continent, because the most important thing is what to carry back. It is not only me, right? Acquiring this knowledge is not only me, but what to carry back to come to Africa to be able to share. So it's been too grateful to me because I'm going to share it. I'm going to share this knowledge. Thank you all.